Hi, it's February 11th, 2022, and we are heading off on our next adventure. Tonight we're going to go to an RV park in Tehachapi on our way to Simi, where we're going to spend the weekend with Scott and Allison's families, and we're going to watch the Super Bowl. And after that, we're going to be heading down to the Palm Springs area. So, looking forward to some fun times, and I'll let Jack tell you about the rest of it.
Yeah, after Palm Springs, we're going to head over to basically the Escondido corridor that leads down to San Diego. And we're going to 3 wineries in that area, the Ramona Valley. And we're going to visit them as harvest hosts. And then from there, we're going to head to Disneyland to meet another daughter and her family, coming down to spend a couple of days over President's Weekend at Disneyland and California Adventure. I also recently purchased a drone to see if I can kind of spice up these videos with a little bit of aerial shots. So we'll see how that works. I'm going to experiment with it a little bit on the way down, and if I get anything good, I'll put it into the video.
So it's about 3 hours later, and here we are coming into Tehachapi. I think you can see the windmills up on the hill, which are kind of cool.
Yeah, I think Tehachapi is known for its wind, and so it was a perfect place to put a wind farm of windmills. There's a similar set near Palm Springs that we'll probably see in a few days. Another set up out of Oakland when you're heading over the hill toward Sacramento. They're loaded with these kind of windmills.
We're within a couple miles of the RV park that we're going to be staying at.
I think it's called Mountain View.
Mountain View
RV Park. So we're kind of doing a reconnaissance trip because we're scheduled to come here in about 6 weeks, and so we thought this is a good opportunity to see what it's like here, if it's a place we want to come back to.
So now we're heading out of the park, but heading over to the airport. Kind of checking it out.
Glider rides, instructions, sandwich, coffee shop. said the coffee shop was what, up on the second floor?
Yeah.
It was pretty good.
There's a Revel, I think. I don't know, maybe. Yeah. Quite a bit of activity here. Well, it is a Saturday morning.
Here. You know, that's storage units down that way. So this is the actual place you would walk to. I could see how it's, you know, a 5-minute walk
Yeah.
from our site to get here. And there's the Skylark North and Glider School. You should probably look them up and see what they charge. That is a Revel. There you go. Look.
Huh. I would be interested if
Skylark North.
two
Glider
people could be passengers, but they're usually a pilot and
School. One passenger.
in one. So that's
But
what
I
we
don't
did
really
last
want to
time.
learn how to fly one.
No, I don't want to fly it. I just would like us to go together.
Just ride in one. Glider ride rather than take.
Is it McDonald Street?
I think it's street.
Okay.
All right, we're taking an alternate route. We're not going back to the 58 and heading back down toward Mojave. We're taking what probably is a shorter route, but maybe not a faster route. It is taking us to Rosamond by way of Mojave or by Mojave. So we're on a backcountry road, but a lot of people use this because it's a little busier than I was hoping for.
Lots of windmills out there.
Yeah. Well, this is windmill country, as we described in yesterday's video.